It's just a dry cough. It'll go away soon. Sounds familiar? Many of us tend to brush off a lingering dry cough as something minor. But what if that stubborn coughing isn't just a cold and is actually a warning sign from your body? Today, let's take a closer look at what a persistent dry cough really means, why it might be more serious than it seems, and how to spot red flags before it's too late. Number 1. What is a dry cough? Let's start with the basics. A dry cough is a cough that doesn't bring up mucus or phlegm. It often feels ticklish or scratchy in the throat and can be quite irritating. This is different from a productive cough, which brings up mucus and is usually caused by infections like colds or the flu. Dry coughs are often caused by irritation in the upper airways, such as the throat, nasal passages, or windpipe, and can last for weeks without showing obvious symptoms of illness. Number 2. Common causes of persistent dry cough. Many people assume a dry cough is just a leftover from a cold or the result of dry weather. But in reality, it could be a symptom of something else entirely. Number 1. Allergic rhinitis. If you're sensitive to dust, pollen, pet dander, or cold air, your immune system might overreact and cause inflammation in your nose and throat, which leads to a constant tickle in your throat and an annoying dry cough, especially in the mornings or when staying in air-conditioned rooms. Number 2. Acid reflux or GERD. Believe it or not, acid reflux is a common cause of persistent dry coughing. When stomach acid rises up into the esophagus, it can irritate the nerves and tissues in your throat even if you don't feel heartburn. This triggers a dry cough, especially after meals or at night. Many people don't associate coughing with digestive issues, but GERD is a hidden culprit. Number 3. Cough variant asthma. This form of asthma doesn't cause wheezing. Instead, the main symptom is, you guessed it right, a chronic dry cough. Triggers can include cold air, exercise, smoke, or strong smells like perfume. If you find yourself coughing after these situations and it keeps happening, asthma might be worth exploring with your doctor. Number 4. Post-viral cough. Ever had a cold or flu and kept coughing for weeks afterwards? Even after the infection clears, your throat and airway nerves may stay inflamed, leading to a lingering dry cough. This is especially common after respiratory viruses like COVID-19. While this usually improves within 4 to 6 weeks, if it lasts longer, it's time to get checked out. Number 5. Chronic lung conditions like COPD or lung cancer. For older adults, heavy smokers, or people with a history of lung issues, a chronic dry cough should be taken very seriously. If you also experience weight loss, chest pain, shortness of breath, or coughing up blood, these are major warning signs that require immediate medical attention. Number 3. When should you worry? A dry cough becomes concerning when it lasts for more than 3 weeks, when it happens mostly at night, when it doesn't improve with over-the-counter meds, when it returns after going away, or you have risk factors like smoking or underlying conditions. These signs suggest your body is trying to alert you to something deeper. Number 4. Why it matters. The real danger with a dry cough isn't the annoyance, it's what it might be hiding. In today's world with rising air pollution, allergy rates, and stressful lifestyles that worsen acid reflux, more people are experiencing chronic coughing without even knowing the cause. Ignoring it could delay the diagnosis of treatable conditions or worse, serious illnesses. Number 5. What to do next. Track how long you've been coughing. Note if it gets worse at night, after meals, or in cold environments. Try to avoid smoke, dust, and allergens. If symptoms persist, don't self-medicate endlessly. See a doctor. And remember, early detection is key. Many chronic conditions, when caught early, can be managed or even reversed. So if you or someone you care about has a dry cough that just won't quit, don't wait. Watch the full video to learn the causes and warning signs and share it with others who might need to hear this. Subscribe to Wise Use for more health insights that could make a real difference in your life.